Hello. Welcome to Hexal Dutch School. Today, we are going to learn about the Dutch letter L. The Dutch L is pronounced as L, similar to the English L in love, but with the tongue touching the roof of the mouth. Listen carefully. Say it with me. L. Now, repeat after me. L. Once more. L. Let's practice it a few more times. Listen first, then repeat after me. Say it again. L. Now a little faster. L. And once more at normal speed. L. A common mistake is pronouncing L too softly or not placing the tongue correctly. Make sure to pronounce L with a clear, strong sound. One more time. L. Let's say it 3 more times together. First, slowly. L. Now, a little faster. L. Finally, at normal speed. L. Great job. Keep practicing. See you in the next lesson.